Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your English lesson. The textbooks for today's lesson that are required are English Ahead textbook and workbook. The pages that we're going to study are textbook page number 97 and workbook pages 62 and 63. The unit is 8 and the topics are how we see colors and nature's colors. Let us start today's lesson. How we see colors around us. What is the reason behind a yellow banana looking different when we look at it in the dark? The reason behind it is white light is actually not simply white. It is a combination of a lot of different colors. Take the example of a rainbow. When white light passes through raindrops, it gets separated into 7 different colors, which make a rainbow. Similarly, when white light falls on any object, the object is able to absorb many of those colors. The colors that are not absorbed are reflected back. When these reflected colors enter our eyes, our brain tells us that the object is of those reflected colors. Look at these images. In image number 1, there is a banana and white light, which is made up of all of these colors that are shown, is reflected on that banana. The bananas absorb all of the lights except yellow. The yellow light is reflected back, and when we look at it, we see that the banana has yellow colors. In the second image, just like a banana, an apple is present in the light and it is able to absorb all the colors except red. When we look at that red reflected light, we seem to think that the apple is actually of red color. In the third image, there is a green leaf which is able to absorb all of the colors except green. Now, what is the case of black and white color? We are able to see black in an image or an object when that object is able to absorb all of the colors. So, none of the colors are reflected back for us to see. So, our brain gives the solution that the object is of black color. White, on the other hand, is able to reflect all of the colors, and so when we look at all of the reflected rays, we seem to think that the object is of white color. Moving on to the next topic about nature's colors. Colors play a very important role in nature. Some plants and animals have bright colors to show other predators that they are poisonous or dangerous. This is an image of a plant called as the Venus flytrap. It is of bright red color, which tells other animals that this plant might be dangerous, and so animals avoid to eat it. Now, some harmless animals are able to copy the colors of other dangerous animals. It protects them from predators, just like the example of this fly. It has the same colors as that of a wasp. It protects it from other animals. Now, what is camouflage? Camouflage is the ability of an animal to hide from its predators by mixing in the surrounding colors. Look at this picture of a chameleon. A chameleon is able to blend in its environment by changing its colors. This is an example of a butterfly that has the colors that are similar to that of a tree trunk. It is hard to look at it when it is present on a tree. Other animals are affected by the type of food that they eat. For example, flamingos. Flamingos are born with gray colors, but as they grow up, their food makes their color change into pink. That was all for today's lecture. Kindly note down your assignment. From your textbook, you have to attempt exercise 2 and 3 on page number 97, and on your workbook, you have to go through pages 62 and 63. First, read the article about the importance of color in nature and attempt exercise 3 and 4 on your books and 5 and 6 on your notebooks. I hope today's lecture was easy for you. See you all next time. Allah Hafiz.